Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make the easiest and the healthiest one-pot smoky beans and chickpeas. So let's get started. This recipe is extremely easy and it's in one pot. So if you need like more food, is just put everything in one pot, make it and you have it for yourself or for your family. So for this recipe we will need 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 cans of butter beans, white beans. The beans are strained and washed, 4 shallots, or you can use 2 medium white onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 small carrots, about 7 grams of smoked paprika and salt and pepper to taste, and about 10 ml of vegetable oil. So before we will start frying our ingredients, I'll prepare the onions. So I will chop the onion, I will chop as well the garlic, very finely chopped, and I'll grate the carrot as well. On medium heat, add the oil. Add the onion. And the carrots, and fry it for about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and mix it well until combined, just stirring occasionally. Now add the chickpeas together with the water. And let it simmer for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, add the white butter beans, add the salt, pepper and the paprika, mix it well until combined and simmer for about 3 more minutes. So this is our smoky beans and chickpeas kind of stew. It's ready, it's full of protein, it's delicious as well from the onions, from the garlic and from the carrot. Turn off the heat. Just sprinkle with a bit of fresh parsley and spring onion, and it's ready to be served. This was my recipe of smoky chickpeas and bean one pot kind of stew. This is perfect for yourself, it's freezer friendly as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday simple, healthy and interesting recipes. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.